just going to do another video here. That water is probably the highest I've seen it cresting over that wall. So my theory of it going down due to lower tide doesn't look like it's going to fruition. Getting really strong gusts here now. Saw some tornado warnings in Fort Lauderdale. It kind of looks to the radar. We're really in the thick of it now. You can really hear the force of the wind. Right now it's in a little bit of a lull, and that says something because it's still pretty strong. It's still getting a lot of heavy gusts, but the rain has cut down. Not in as much of a whiteout right now.